Aside from super chats, memberships, and YouTube ads, several other ways exist to start making money on YouTube on day one. Do you want to know what some of them are? Then this video is for you. Welcome to Debt Busters, and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we'll show you 7 different methods for making money on YouTube. We will go over each technique as we explain it, so that by the end of this video, you will better understand the various methods you can use to start making money immediately. You don't start earning money right away after you've chosen your niche and started uploading videos. You must first join the YouTube Partner Program to make money from your YouTube videos. YouTube video monetization with Google AdSense is one of the most common and straightforward ways to earn money from your YouTube videos. You can upload videos for AdSense monetization once you've linked your YouTube channel to your Google AdSense account. Your video will be approved for monetization if it meets YouTube's monetization guidelines. You must meet the following requirements to join the YouTube Partner Program. Have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. Live in a country where the program is available, create your AdSense account and relate it to your YouTube channel, no active community guideline strikes on your channel, and adhere to all YouTube monetization regulations. Given that you have only recently launched your channel, it will likely take several weeks, if not months, to meet these requirements. Aside from becoming a member of the YouTube Partner Program, there are other ways to monetize your channel. The first one is, number 1, affiliate marketing. If you need to familiarize yourself with affiliate marketing, it connects buyers to a program or a product in exchange for a commission. To accomplish this, you should join an affiliate program. You can find affiliate programs by searching for the type of content you create and then adding affiliate program after it. When signing up for affiliate programs, look for ones that are a good fit for what you're trying to accomplish with your YouTube channel because they will add value to your audience. And of course, it makes sense given the type of content you create. Once you've found the product you want to promote, they'll provide you with a unique tracking ID to include in your video description. When you recommend a product or service and people click on that link and buy it, you get paid a commission for sending them there. If you decide to use affiliate marketing as one of the ways to monetize your content, here are a few quick tips. The first tip is to ensure that the thing you're drawing attention to is a good fit for your audience, because if it isn't, people won't click on it. This means that no one will buy anything, and it will be a waste of your time if it isn't a good match for the type of content you create. Next, ensure that you consider the viewer's intent. That is, if someone is looking for a review video on a specific product and they go to YouTube and search for something about that product, that person is familiar with it. They may be watching a review because they're considering purchasing. As an affiliate marketer, creating that type of content will result in higher conversions because you're essentially hopping in between the person considering making a purchase, watching your video, and then making the purchase. Another tip is that if you can find recurring things, meaning people pay for them every month, your affiliate income will grow relatively quickly. Instead of just sending one sale at a time, your recurring memberships will end up stacking up over time because the longer people stay a part of whatever it is that you're bringing to their attention, the longer they're paying into it, which means that instead of sending a $10 sale one time, if that person stays a member for a whole year, you're making $120 instead of $10. And of course, the next affiliate marketing tip is to ensure that everything you recommend is something you believe in. And the reason for this is that if you suggest things that don't work, or whatever the case may be, people will stop taking your advice. Whereas if you recommend something and people like it, they will keep coming back to you and will continue to take your recommendations, making you much more money in the long run. That's why I recommend Matt Parr's YouTube monetization courses so much. Some of you may think it weird, but I really do stand behind this program because it helped me go from barely making money on YouTube to making just under $10,000 per month in the past 2 years. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try Matt Parr's absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. The next method on the list is number 2, merchandise. When it comes to merchandise, many content creators are hesitant to offer it because they believe no one will buy it or that it is not worth the effort. I can assure you that people buy merch. You can use a service like Spreadshop to create a graphic for you, or you can create your graphics using a site like canva.com. You then upload your graphics to Spreadshop, and whenever someone purchases whatever merchandise you have available with that graphic on it, you earn a commission. When it comes to merch, many content creators believe that you must be a member of the YouTube Partner Program to use it because of the list that appears beneath the videos where they sell merch. You can, however, create a store on Spreadshop, copy the link to your store, and then paste it in your video description to let everyone know that you have a link to your store in your description. It's really that simple. The next method on the list is number 3, crowdfunding. With crowdfunding, you create an account at a site such as Buy Me a Coffee, Ko-Fi, Patreon, or even Uscreen. Once you create an account with one of these sites, depending on which one you use, it functions similarly to a tip jar. If you want to offer additional content in exchange, further access to you, or something similar, Patreon or Uscreen are the places to go. Except for Uscreen, all of these services are free, taking a percentage of the income generated from those specific platforms. Whereas with Uscreen, you pay a flat fee and you can make lots of money, which is fine because you're still only paying that flat fee. The next method on the list is number 4, digital products. So what exactly do we mean by digital product? You would create a digital product on your computer or smartphone and then sell it somewhere online. Depending on the type of content you produce, it may be guides that you sell in some cases. It could be ebooks that you offer for sale. It could be videos you sell in a course-like format, and you could put them on Uscreen as an example. You can even be imaginative with it. Another thing you could do on the digital product side is to create a newsletter for your industry that people will pay for. Alternatively, you can combine affiliate marketing with your newsletter, promote products, and provide value through your email newsletter. The beauty of digital products is that they can be created. Depending on what you make, you may or may not need to update it again in the future, so you can create it once and profit from it indefinitely. However, in some cases, you will need to update it occasionally, if not regularly. But the idea is that once you've created it and completed the majority of the project, all you have to do is figure out how to sell it. You can do it through your YouTube channel, through advertising, or any other way you want. But the idea is that you can create something of value to other people and then sell it online. Of course, one simple way to sell it online is through the content you create on your YouTube channel. The next method on the list is number 5, services. So regarding services, you must rely on your skill set. I assume most people watching this channel create a variety of content. When it comes to services, consider either past life experience that you can offer or the skills you've developed as a content creator that you can also provide. Almost everyone watching this video, for example, makes YouTube videos. As a result, you're either going through the process or already have a solid understanding of the video editing process. As a result, that could be a service. However, you must ensure your target audience fits that service well. With many types of content, you can offer consulting or hop on calls with people and give them advice based on your experience in the industry in which you operate. Some may believe that with the type of content they produce, no one would be willing to pay for consulting or anything else. However, keep in mind that you may be thinking this because you already have a good understanding of what you're doing. That is why you are producing videos about it. New people are constantly entering any industry, regardless of how many veterans or knowledgeable people are in it. And in that case, people always have the option of taking the time to learn the thing on their own, or speeding up the process by spending a little money. So in that case, you can be the person with whom they spend that money for those willing or eager to spend money to shorten their learning curve. The next method on the list is number 6, sponsorships. People can also sponsor the type of content that you create. If you have a consistent view count, your channel is heading in the right direction, and you're building your brand, you'll open many more doors. However, depending on your business acumen and other factors, some people can obtain sponsorships early in their YouTube journey. If you're not quite ready to reach out to a company because you're unsure of the value you can bring to them, go ahead and start interacting with them on social media. And whenever you make a video that happens to mention their product in any way, tweet at them to let them know you made that video. The same is true for LinkedIn. Ensure you're sharing any of that content on LinkedIn and that you're following and connecting with everyone who works at the companies you want to work with. By doing so, as your influence grows, you will also bring this to their attention, and you'll be on their radar when they're looking for influencers to work with. The last method on the list is number 7, physical products. Merch could technically fall under this category regarding physical products, but you can also do things like write books. Many YouTubers write books. People always buy them because they're so good. They provide enormous value to those who read them, and these are physical items. This works because you upload your book to Amazon, and when people order it, Amazon prints and ships it to them. As a result, it becomes a physical product. Of course, you can also collaborate with others to get these books on shelves. You can also have some cool physical products that you believe your viewers would enjoy. But remember that all these things will cost money except for Amazon and merch. You can't just upload a physical product to the internet and have it printed whenever someone needs it. We're not quite there yet, but we'll get there soon. The idea behind physical products is that they are tangible items that people can hold in their hands. If you want, you could also look into white labeling for physical products, which is when you take another product, put your brand name on it, and then sell it through your YouTube channel. We could label the cups Debt Busters for this channel and then sell them. For making it this far in the video, we will share with you another bonus method for monetization, which is through content licensing. So when it comes to content licensing, this is something that people usually talk about less when it comes to YouTube content creators, but depending on the type of content you make, people may pay you to license your content. That is, they will pay you a certain amount of money to use your content in places such as TV shows, commercials, and anything else where people require your type of content. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Which of the above methods was your favorite and why? Comment down below and let's engage. Are you ready to take your YouTube earnings to the next level? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to make money with YouTube Cash Cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know about the top 7 ways you can make money on YouTube now. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing about creating an animated talking AI avatar for free. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know about creating an animated talking AI avatar for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.